I don't know how to trade without this level. To me, it looks like coin flipping, unless I'm drawing 5 point zones. I mean, look at this retracement. If you follow the correlation methodology, you would see that this line aligns with NQ's golden level line when this happened. This line has an equivalent line for NQ today. So even if you have too many lines and you're getting confused of it, if you utilize a correlated asset and see that both of them are reaching our support or resistance levels, there's a high chance that this is going to hold. So correlation has been a good confluence or filtering method. We are here, guys, to take the guess out of your trades. Okay, guys, now it's going to be very, very important lesson for you to follow. When the AI wakes up in the morning, it consumes data, historical data, deep market data, and then it provides you with red levels above the market and green levels below the market. Now, what is the meaning by first start rule? It means that at this point, we expect the market, when it reaches the first resistance, to bounce back. Additionally, if this doesn't happen, we expect that after it breaks this level, it will retest it, confirming that this level is a support level, and then move to the upside. This is resistance, and we expect the bounce back. So what happened here? I will show you in 1 minute. Okay, so the market was moving here in the middle when the levels were generated by our AI engine. So the market reached this level. You can see it touched, then bounced back maybe 1 point or so, and then it broke, retest, and then moved up to the upside, another small retest, small drawdown. Okay, this is a very small drawdown, indicating that this is support level, and then bounced off. And then this is the resistance level. It held, it did not break, giving you a beautiful opportunity for a short trade. Okay, so this is a losing trade because we expect the market to bounce, but it broke, validated, long level to the upside, short, beautiful bounce, choppy, choppy, choppy. This is my expectation because at this point, this level is considered support level, and this is my expectation. Then, of course, break, small retest, and go to the downside. I expect the behavior of the market when it reaches our levels. And it's very important to have a tool where you have a system of expectation on how the market is going to behave when it reaches these levels. So yes, there's never 100%. I showed you at least one losing trade, but I could show you a few beautiful risk to reward ratio trades. So what is the meaning by correlation? Here is NQ. We are on 1 minute time frame, and this is the resistance level. We expect it to bounce back. Yes, it's a resistance level. We expect it to bounce back, and you reach this level. There was a small reaction here. Not enough. But then it broke. And at this point, when I look at the market, I see that the sellers gave up and the buyers took control here. So at this point, if you read the price action, you identify that this resistance level with a small validation here turned into support. And what happened? Beautiful support with a very, very small drawdown, considering NQ, okay, less than 10 points. So losing, it is a losing trade because we expect it to bounce and it didn't happen, it broke. This is validation that this level is the support level. Here, here is an opportunity to take the long trade, and you see, beautiful move here. So now I want to explain about the correlation. What's the meaning by utilizing correlation to get more confluence on our trades? Correlation is about, it relates to the behavior of two correlated assets when both reach our trigger points. Okay, 15 minutes of ES and 15 minutes on NQ. Now I'm going to put previous golden levels. Okay, this was 15 minutes before the news, and look how beautiful it bounced off it. Now I'm going to do the same for ES. If I see that ES is reaching a support level and NQ is reaching a support level at the same time, there's a big chance of a rejection of both. Okay, so this method is about to utilize the correlated asset and the way we expect ES to react by the time NQ reaches a similar level, but its own level. And look how beautiful they reacted the same time to our trigger point. Okay, so this method can be used to filter out lines, because this line has, or this line, if you look at it in real time, you can see that this line has no equivalent for ES. So maybe it is a weak line. Okay, can you see here? The bounce here, the bounce here. It's a beautiful confluence leading method.
So I do have a question. Are we only looking at this in terms of the trigger points or
Exactly.
directionality? Okay.
No, I don't. Directionality is a lagging term. We only know what the instrument did. It has nothing to do with what it's going to do. But when we expect the market to do something and the levels are good reference for it, we can utilize it in both instruments. We expect this resistance level to hold, and this is complemented by this resistance level at the same time for NQ. Okay, I just want to show our audience how NQ breaks this level.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, why? Because ES broke. So you see that this is a leading indicator of NQ. ES broke its level before NQ broke it.
I'm sorry.
This was a beautiful short opportunity, while we saw that ES is respecting its resistance level. Can you see? You can see the price action. You can see the sellers are pushing here, and it is a resistance level that was previously validated. So this price action, along with the fact that this is a resistance level, could confirm the entry here. And
Okay,
look,
so but in the moment, would you have taken that trade off the bat? The moment you saw NQ drop, but ES was still holding on. Would you have still taken the trade? Okay.
ES respected its resistance level.
But NQ
Therefore, to
didn't.
me, yeah, but look at the price action. You can see a similar price action on ES, similar price action on ELS on a level that was validated before.
Okay.
And when this went down, I could take the short trade here. Okay, so we can see that the sellers are pushing both of them correlated assets. It is a resistance level that was previously validated. So yes, I would take this short trade here. When this happened, it's a beautiful setup. And I just showed you guys, I saw that ES is breaking its validated support level, preventing me from taking a long trade off NQ. And I told you guys, NQ is going to break its level, and it happened. So I'm a magician, Philip, right? Okay, guys, this is this is the way I trade, basically. I always look at the reaction of two correlated assets, claiming that this is a leading indication for me. Either avoid bad entries or confirming good entries. Okay, there are two ways to get profitable, guys. One way is to increase the successful trades, and another way to decrease the bad trades. So by utilizing this method, you can avoid bad entries and you can increase the probability of success taking good entries. Guys, this is the only thing you need in trading. Yeah, so I recommend you guys watch
It'll help.
this
That is
again.
for sure. So, well, awesome, guys. We will catch you tomorrow. I believe that Demarcus will be live trading tomorrow, but I will be around.